Are you one of those many guys or gals that always wanted a train horn, but your vehicle's engine compartment doesn't have enough open space to accommodate a big heavy horn or an onboard air system? Or maybe you just didn't have the extra bucks. Wolo, the world leader and innovator of vehicle horns, has designed a totally new train horn called NEXGEN Express. Now it's possible to have a powerful train horn that will fit into your vehicle's engine compartment, and best of all, without shelling out hundreds of dollars. Model 897 NEXGEN Express installs easily in minutes because it was designed for the weekend do-it-yourself mechanic. Wolo engineers knew what you needed, and after almost 2 years of engineering, Wolo is proud to introduce a fully electronic train horn without the old-fashioned bulky horn compressor air tank. Welcome to the 21st century. Wolo's new patent-pending design makes having a train horn possible for almost any 12-volt vehicle. You ask, how is this possible? The answer is state-of-the-art electronics that will give the vehicle owner years of dependable service. Best of all, Wolo's NEXGEN Express has 2 distinct train horn sounds that you will love to blast. Everything needed for a simple do-it-yourself installation is included. Just follow these simple steps. Mounting the 100-watt speaker. Step 1. The speaker should be mounted facing forward on the vehicle. To obtain maximum sound output, make sure that the speaker is unobstructed. The NEXGEN sound can be severely reduced if objects are in front or blocking the speaker. Step 2. Use the speaker's swing bracket as a template and mark the 2 mounting locations and then drill to size, 1/4 inch. Step 3. Secure the speaker to the mounting surface using the hardware provided. Mounting amplifier. Step 4. Locate the desired mounting location for the amplifier. Important: the amplifier should always be mounted on metal in a dry location. If mounted in the engine compartment, make sure it is safe from engine exhaust heat and moving parts. Step 5. Use the amplifier's case as a template. Mark the 2 mounting hole locations and drill to size, 13/64. Step 6. Secure the amplifier to the mounting surface using the hardware provided. Wiring. Step 7. Connect the amplifier's 2 brown wires to the speaker's 2 brown wires using the insulated terminals. Step 8. Connect the amplifier's black wire to ground any metal body bolt that is clean of paint and rust or the vehicle's negative post. Step 9. Connect the amplifier's red wire to positive 12 volts battery, alternator, fuse block, etc. Important: the 10 amp inline fuse provided with the horn must be used to protect the vehicle. Step 10. Optional. Included with horn is a heavy-duty pre-wired manual push-button horn switch that can be mounted to the dashboard or a convenient location that can be easily reached by the driver. If you wish to operate the horn only with key fob, the horn button switch is not needed. Installation is complete. Key fob. The mini wireless fob allows the user to control the audio volume and the 2 different train horn sounds. The NEXGEN is built with the latest self-learning technology to memorize the coded signal of the wireless key fob and block out any other fob or remote transmitter. All features, volume control and selection from 2 distinct train horn sounds can be controlled from the wireless key fob. No need to route wires into the driver's compartment unless the driver wants to install the optional dash-mounted horn button switch. With the touch of a button on the key fob, control the NEXGEN Express train horn wirelessly from the interior or exterior of the vehicle. It works just like any other horn with a press and hold of the key fob button. The horn will sound until the button is released. Our kit comes complete with all that is needed for a professional installation. They will hear you before they can see you.